way to doing it, so then you don't feel like it's really hard or frustrated. Okay, so applies really a good amount, not too thick, not too thin. Make sure put the lids on. Don't want it's gonna be clear. And no wipe top coat. If you decide to do a matte top coat, matte finish, you are going to finish with the matte top coat on the top. But on this nails, I am going to do shiny and floating the no white top coat on the top of Unclear Condensed Glue Gels. All right. Here is come with my super cute and favorite shape, which is I have it on my thumbs. I loving it. It's look like aqua color. You think? And
more
teal. So by the way, all the cute frames, so adorable. Where am I at? TikTok, can you see? All right. TikToker. So when you're saying it, TikToker, Instagrammer, Instagrammer. Okay. So then what we say with Facebooker. But anyway, thank you so much, everyone. I always have a great time create so many designs. If I like have even like much more fun to have you tuning in, enjoy with me. And thank you so much for being you and being amazing. All right, so it looks just really cool though. I'm gonna add some more because you know me, I can't stop. All right, so this one you can add more, like you can go on and on and on and on. I think I'm about to. I'm gonna add this super cute one here for you to see. Just frame the little shields. Super nice with SS4, which is come in the kits for you already. I am loving this kit, but not too sorry because it's so adorable. You will never go wrong with these kits because it's everything you need. So you need a smaller SS size, it's there for you. If you need like a bigger size SS16 or any others frame, it's also ready for you. So I'm gonna add some beads on, but this time I'm gonna use some silver. Sometimes you see me use silvers and like rose golds go combine together. You feel like it's stacking the super cute different color of the rings on. So I'm gonna place it. The best way to do is the beads. Okay, where am I at? Facebook, Instagram. All right. So excited to have all of you from a different platform.
So Really Nail Studio is not a silicone tool, that is actually a wax tip. So wax will help you just pick it up, all the things you need to pick up without resistance of glue.
Yes, so you don't need anything on it at all. It just is automatically pick your bigger and you release it, and it's don't have any residue, or it will have some residue of wax, but it's not have residues of the top coat or gel top coat, because when the gel top coat it accidentally here is gonna cure on the top of your crystal. You do not want that. But the wax residue, you can definitely wipe it off with alcohol after you cure under LED lights. I think that's great because I have my crystal picker. You can see that it's just like so old. I rub all the name off too because I'm using it so much. And on the tip, when it gets like a little bit of dust in there, I just wipe it off and remove that wax layer, and then it's worked perfect again for me. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.